Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to zoom in Krita. The quickest way to zoom using the keyboard is press the plus key to zoom in and the minus key to zoom out in discrete steps. If you want more control with the mouse, press and hold Ctrl plus space. Then left click and drag up or down on the canvas. Dragging up zooms in. Dragging down zooms out smoothly. You can also control plus middle mouse drag to zoom that way. You can also use the zoom tool. Select the magnifying glass icon from the toolbar and left click on the canvas to zoom in or control plus left click to zoom out. Another handy way is the zoom slider in the bottom right corner of the interface. Drag it right to zoom in more precisely. Once you're zoomed in, you can pan around separately to view different areas without changing zoom. And that's how you zoom in Krita. Thanks for watching.